microphone that works here very quickly.
The management of one of Nigeria's biggest telecommunications company, MTN Nigeria, investors, government representatives, and other guests have gathered to mark the MTN Capital Market Day with the theme, Executing for Sustainable Growth.
But yes, you can invest in all listed securities, including MTN.
MTN is partnering with the Nigeria Exchange Group to digitize access to the capital market by making its shares more accessible to Nigerians through the use of their mobile phone. This will help broaden participation in the capital market.
The share of foreign investors in our market already is so small, 10%. In fact, in some instances, 5%, such that the real, call it short-term impact is not as the headlines would have suggested. A lot of that capital had flowed out already, naturally. Now, number two, I think what that also shows is the impact of what I call the macro on what we do in capital markets. You can't really disconnect the markets from what happens at the big picture, big level of things. We're very optimistic. If you look at a lot of the engagements that I think the government has been doing, that the exchange also has been doing, you would find that we've been quite active at trying to support the government's efforts.
The event is also an opportunity for shareholders and investors to understand the company's progress and plans to tap into the numerous opportunities, particularly in the digital finance space.
The structural adjustment and some of the pain that we'll feel in the next couple of quarters, that actually there is a lot of value to be created and growth to be captured within the Nigerian economy. So the 2 days are really about projecting that in an honest, credible, pragmatic way to investors and giving a sense of comfort to investors that the case remains strong and very resilient.
As our economy and our communities grow, they spend more on our services. They're closer aligned to us. So we're very proud. But this capital market is a lot more than sustainability. It's about the tremendous growth opportunity on the 4 or 5 different curves and trajectories of growth that we have in MTN.
MTN prides itself as the biggest telecommunications company listed on the Nigeria Exchange Group, with 278 million subscribers and 160 million active data users across Africa.